I might be the only person who'll say this. I'm excited summer's winding down.
Oh my gosh, I'm not. But I am like totally over the heat.
Yeah,
like,
I'm over the heat. I kind of want the kids to be on a schedule. Like, let's wrap this up.
Wait a minute. Rewind everything I said. I want the kid to go back to school.
Yes.
Absolutely. Yeah.
What do you got for us to recover from all the summer?
Yeah, and I feel like these are great like once a week check-ins, but also some kind of things that we feel like in the summer we kind of go into a slump.
Yeah.
You know? So first off, you're putting on so much sunscreen on your skin. You need to give yourself like a pretty good mask once a week. And we're not talking about a sheet mask. We're not talking about any kind of silicone mask. What we're talking about is a deep pore cleansing mask. And I found this one. We tried it out. This one is New York Botanicals. It's just a great clay mask, mud mask, Dead Sea, but it has a little tea tree oil in it. And
so
that's
it
going to
doesn't
be
get so tight.
Doesn't get so tight, but it also is going to disinfect that pore area a little bit great. So something to think about. I don't recommend using this on your kids because the tea tree oil is pretty strong in it, but it's a great once a week thing that you can do. I don't care if you're even just sitting in the backyard and you don't care about your neighbors, just put it on your skin and sit back there. It's going to take a lot of that stuff that's just been building up on top of your skin. You know when you see those tiny little bumps from all the, that's going to help a lot.
That's going to help pull that out. Okay, and speaking of cleaning, a nice soak.
Nothing is better. I'm a bath girl.
You are a bath girl.
And nothing is better than a good bath. A little bit of Epsom salt. I love this little kit. I found it, you know, they sold it together. It's by Dr. Teal's. What's really great about it, it has a little bit of the, you know, eucalyptus in it. It has a lot of orange in it, vitamin C in it. It has everything that you need. You have the bubble bath and the salts. I love it because what I feel like is that as well as when you're putting everything on, you've got the chlorine, you've got everything.
Right.
You've got more sunscreen. I feel like just giving yourself a nice 15, 20-minute soak is going to pull a lot of that out of your pores.
Yeah.
And it's also just going to make you feel a little bit more relaxed.
I did try the salt on my kids and it burned a little bit.
Yeah, and that is because they have a lot of, you know, the eucalyptus in there built into it. I absolutely don't recommend using these on kids. This is really an adult bath, if you will. And I also don't recommend using any of the suds with any kind of like jacuzzi or anything like that.
That would be a mess.
This is literally just a soak.
Just a soak. Okay, now it's still warm out. We can keep cool after a good hard workout.
Hard workout, or if you go to the game and you watch your kids, which I feel like I'm always doing, or you're just at the playground, right? Or out in the backyard. I'm obsessed with Postgame Ice. This is the coolest device. It's absolutely amazing. Here, I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to get you yours out of here. These are great. These wrap around. They're contoured to fit right around your neck.
Okay.
Here, I'm going to give you one, and I'm going to put one on mine. Ooh. What's great about this is it just cools the body down.
It's like an ice pack.
So quickly. But there's no dripping.
Oh, right.
There's no dripping. If it gets ice cold. It's absolutely amazing. And what's great about it is it's engineered for comfort.
Yeah.
I think it's kind of cute too if you want to wrap like a little bandana with it or something. But what I love, it stays cold for up to 2 hours, Amy, and it's just so great. And you know what? It heats right back. I mean, it doesn't heat.
It cools.
It cools, chills right back up within 15 minutes. Like, say if you have a cooler out, you can just throw it into the cooler. It's great. My son is obsessed with it. He's absolutely obsessed with it after he's running around and playing and skateboarding.
And really good for women of a certain age all year round.
I was going to say, and I also love mine because it's great for any kind of hot flash you're having. Year-round.
Yes.
But what a great little invention. It really restores, refreshes, and again, it just goes right back up. You know,
back in the fridge.
Yeah,
it's fantastic.
It's fantastic. And it's $30. I forgot to say that. And it comes in 2 sizes, which I love.
Dog harness?
No. So everybody basically is, when we're hot, when we're tired, we constantly lose our posture. We go into what's called the summer slump, right? Where you're just kind of like, give me some water, kids are screaming, you're at the beach. This is the lightest weight tool that we could find to keep your posture back.
Pull your shoulders back.
4.9 stars, thousands of ratings, right there on Amazon.
Okay.
It was $20.
Okay.
It was great. It's adjustable. It's easy. And we were looking at, they sent us so many of the harnesses to try out. Not harnesses, I'm thinking of a dog now. But posture devices to try out. And they were all these really thick vests.
Oh.
Or they had tons of contraptions.
Too much.
Yes. You don't want that in the summertime.
Yeah, right?
This is great. You can just throw it on while I know it sounds crazy, but I had one on while I was mowing the lawn the other day. Like, it's just a super easy thing, and you're going to sweat in it. You can throw it into the wash, but it keeps you aligned. And I'm going to tell you, it really eliminated a lot of I just found myself standing up straighter after.
This is great, too, because, like, teen tech neck.
Oh,
It is a huge problem right now. I try to get my son to do, I think 16, try to do tummy time with his phone so he's not looking this way. He's got to pull his head up.
Oh my gosh, that is a genius idea.
Right? But they need to work on standing up straight because they're so
you're
like this all the time.
True, and you're really forming those bones right now.
Yeah.
Well, that's great because this one's adjustable. So
Perfect.
it was such a great option. And there are some really advanced ones out there that are fantastic. They have some that have apps that are built into them.
Yeah.
This was just an easy solution that was lightweight and perfect for summer.
These are great, Mickey. Thank you.
Thank you.
I love the neck coolie thing.
I was getting ready to say, you're not going to have to wear it too much longer.
Yes, I will. I still get hot inside.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah.
Get that power surge.
Right?
And then all that sweat starts coming on.
They're great.